an associate company of the Colburn Energy Group of Companies, a leading developer of power plants in Asia. Maju Intan Biomass has access to the best technologies. Our 140 million ringgit factory is designed to world-class standards and utilizes processed palm oil waste materials called empty fruit bunches or EFB to generate electricity for the national grid line. Why green energy? Globally, conventional fuels are depleting. There is social pressure on countries and governments to rethink environmental effects of using conventional fuels to produce electricity. It is now vital to reduce fossil fuels and develop alternative fuels. Malaysia's Small Renewable Energy Program, SREP, is an initiative to support the renewable energy sector. The Maju Intan Biomass Power Plant is a recipient of the Green Technology Financing Scheme and incentives from the Sustainable Energy Development Authority of Malaysia, SEDA. In line with the National Biomass Strategy 2020, Tenaga Nasional, Malaysia's national electricity company, has signed an agreement to purchase electricity generated by renewable energy from Maju Intan Biomass. These factors make the Maju Intan Biomass plant commercially and environmentally sustainable. In fact, the idea for the plant dates back to 2010. This was followed by a comprehensive analysis to evaluate the viability, regulatory support, and financing criteria for the investment project. A full-scale intensive research was launched to develop the right technologies to construct and operate the plant. Upon completion of the feasibility study, the selected site was aligned with governmental and environmental regulations while taking into account production efficiencies and control standards. At the community level, the management set up public forums, meetings, and hearing feedbacks and opinions from locals, thus ensuring cohesive support for the biomass power plant project. The plant is designed with a capacity of 12.5 megawatt generation that allows export of electricity up to 10 megawatts to Tenaga Nasional, with a balance of 2.5 megawatts for the plant's own use. The biomass power plant uses empty fruit bunches, which are waste products from palm oil mill factories after their extraction of oil from fresh palm fruit. The plant is nestled over 18 acres of land in Teluk Intan, Perak, West Malaysia. It is close to almost 20 palm oil mill factories in Perak and just a short distance to the Tenaga Nasional substation, thereby ensuring logistics efficiencies. At the plant, biomass power production encompasses 4 key processes: fuel preparation, wastewater treatment, steam generation, electric power generation. Empty fruit bunches are pressed and shredded into fiber form before drying to be readied as burning fuel for the boiler. Other biomass fuels such as palm kernel shell, wood chips and rice husk can also be used. The effluent from the pressing of empty fruit bunches is treated at the wastewater treatment plant to achieve Standard B of discharged water quality, as determined by the Department of Environment before discharging into the main stream. The boiler generates steam after water heats up from burning of the biomass fuel. Reaching 58 tons per hour or 430 degrees Celsius, superheated steam is then supplied at 41 bar to the steam turbine for the power generator. If empty fruit bunches or EFB are not recycled and left to decompose, the decomposing process produces arid and pungent odor that attracts pests and rodents. The methane gas released during fermentation of the rotting EFB further affects the ozone layer depletion. The other conventional method of disposing the EFB via open burning increases carbon emission and affects global warming. The flying ash from open burning is also an environmental hazard. Imagine the difference. EFB waste is used as fuel for the biomass power plant to generate energy and electricity. This is a significant value creation for environment protection. Ash collected from the boiler is suitable raw material for fertilizer manufacturers. Sludge oil extracted from the effluent of EFB is useful raw material for production of soap, candles and so on. EFB effluent is a good source for biogas production, and balanced unused waste compressed into cake form is suitable for the production of animal feedstock and fertilizer. In 2012, Maju Intan Biomass was successfully registered as a certified carbon reduction project with the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC).
As a progressive organization, Maju Intan Biomass is proud to partner with Tenaga Nasional to supply biomass-derived energy to the people of Malaysia. We are positive that in time to come, we are able to further fuel the demand of our country's growing needs. As a team, we are all committed to delivering performance. As a company, we believe in excellence and continuous growth. We hope that in time to come, we will be able to expand further as a regional player in the energy business.
Maju Intan Biomass Energy Sendirian Berhad. We believe, we commit, we deliver. Green is where we go.